Good morning, my dear students. I am your English teacher. Welcomes you all for the online session of English classes. Today we are going to study English grammar. In our last online class, we have already learned about alphabet. Means you have already learned that in an alphabet there are 26 letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now you can see in this image there are 26 letters in an English alphabet. So you can see both letters are written over here, means both capital letters and small letters, like capital letter A, capital letter B, small letter b, capital letter C, small letter c, and so on. Okay, so today we are going to study some new things. You know that in an alphabet there are total 26 letters, and these 26 letters are divided into two parts. What are they? They are vowels and consonant. Okay, these 26 letters are divided into two parts. They are vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, there are five vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And the rest 21 letters are consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the consonants. So now you can able to understand out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the rest 21 letters are consonants. Okay. So now look at this image. So it is written over here cat. So C-A-T, cat. Can you able to guess which one is vowel and which one is consonant? Yes, A is a vowel and the rest two means C and T. These both letters are consonants. Okay, now look at the next image. So it is written over here read, R-E-A-T, read. Can you able to guess which one is vowel and which one is consonant? Yes, E and A. These two letters are vowels and the rest two letters means R and T. These two letters are consonants. Okay. Now look at the next image. So it is written over here sun, S-U-N, sun. Here also U is a vowel and the rest two means S and N. These two letters are consonants. Now in this word dog, dog, here you can find out vowels and consonants. So we know that O is a vowel and the rest two means D and G. These both are consonants. So now you can able to find out in a letter, now you can able to find out in a word that which letter will be consonant and which letter will be vowel. Okay. So today we are going to study articles. A and the, these are articles. So today we will study where to use a and where to use an. So don't get confused. I'm going to tell you at which place you have to use a and at which place you have to use an. Look at this. What is written over here? We use an before words which begin with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, what is there? We use an before words which begin with vowels that are A, E, I, O, U. Like for example, an apple. Okay, in the word apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, A is the starting letter. So we know that A is a vowel, so we have to use an before vowel. Next one is I. So in the word I, E is the capital letter. E is the starting letter. Okay. So we have to use an. So we know that E is a vowel. So we have to use an before it. Next one, island. In the word island, I is the starting letter. So we know that I is a vowel. So we have to use and before it. Octopus, octopus, octopus. So starting letter of octopus is O. So we know that O is a vowel. So we have to use an before it. Next one is uncle, uncle, uncle. So U is the starting letter. So we know that U is a vowel, so we have to use what? An before vowel. So now we can able to know that before vowel we have to use an. Now look at this, what is written over here. We use A before words that begin with a consonant. Okay, what we have to use? We use A before words that begin with a consonant, like for example a girl. Okay, in the spelling of a girl, 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 so G is the starting letter, so G is a consonant, and before consonant we have to use A. Now next example, a clock. Okay, spell the word clock, clock, clock. So C is the starting letter. So C, we know that it's a consonant, so we have to use A. Okay, before this word. Next one, a lamp. Lamp, lamp, lamp. L is the starting letter. So L, we know that it comes under consonant. So before consonant, what we have to use? A. Okay. Now you can able to get it that where you have to use an and where you have to use A. Okay. Now look at this. What is written over here? Consonant and vowel sort. So here are your 26 letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are your 26 letters. So this is your homework. This you have to do in your English copy. So what you have to do, first write down the heading, consonant and vowel sort, and write down all these 26 letters from A to Z. Okay, then you have to draw this box in your English copy and write down the heading. One side is consonants and the other side is vowel. So what you have to do, first you have to choose the vowel from these 26 letters. As you know that there are 5 vowels. There are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now what you have to do, these 5 vowels you have to write over here under the vowels. Okay, and the rest we know that these are consonant, that is B, C, T, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 21 consonants where you have to write, these 21 consonants you have to write over here under the heading consonants. Okay, now articles. So question is that filling the blanks with correct articles, A and. So what you have to do, this one also for your homework. So this one also you have to do in your English copy. So look at the first word. It is written over here, cat. And cat is starting with the letter C. And we know that C is a consonant, and before consonant we will use A. Okay. Now next one. Next word is elephant. So in the word elephant, E is the starting letter, and we know that E is a vowel. So before vowel, what we use? We use an. Okay. Now, next one, third, cake. So in the word cake, C is the starting letter, and we know that C comes under consonant, and before consonant, we have to use A. So like this way, you have to complete down your homework in your English copy. Okay, write it down. the heading, articles, and write the question, filling the blanks with correct articles A and you have to draw these pictures very beautifully and write it down very neatly and put A and an in their proper place. Okay, so this is your grammar book. This is chapter number 2, articles A and the. So what it is written over here, the letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The other letters of the alphabet are called consonants. We use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel. We use a before a naming word that begins with a consonant. Okay, so here's a question. Filling the missing vowel. So what you have to do, you have to look down the pictures very carefully and you have to fill this missing place with vowels. Okay. So first one is, it's the picture of mirror and you have to write over here MIRROR, mirror. Okay. Now next one is teeth. So you have to write over here TEETH, teeth. Okay, now next one is football. So you have to write over here FOOT, foot, BALL, ball. Now next picture is monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Now next one is brush, BRUSH, brush. Now sixth one is, it's a picture of shoes. So you have to write over here SHOES, shoes. Seventh one is, it's a picture of a queen. So you have to write QUEEN, queen. Next one, it's a picture of a pencil. So you have to write PENCIL, pencil. Okay. Now it's a picture of a flower. You have to write FLOWER, flower. Now 10th one, it's a picture of a carrot. So you have to write CARROT, carrot. So you can able to see how we have filled these missing vowels. Okay, now coming to the next question. Filling the missing consonants. So you have to fill this missing space with consonants. Okay, first picture is apple. So you have to write over here APPLE, apple. Second one is egg. So EGG, egg. Third one is aeroplane. AEROP, sorry. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Okay. Next, elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Next one, umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay. Now, number 6, it's an orange. ORANGE, orange. Next one, ant. ANT, ant. Next one, engine. ENGINE, engine. Okay. Now, next one is tap. TAP, tap. Now, the last one is I. EYE, I. Now you can able to see how we have used this consonant in this missing place. So the next question, filling the blanks with A or an. So here you have to see the word very carefully and you have to guess. You have to see the first letter of that word, and before that letter you have to use A or an. So first one is dash bow and dash arrow. we know that B is a consonant, so we have to use A. Okay, and dash arrow, we know that in the word arrow, A is the starting letter and A comes under vowel, so we have to use over here N. Next is dash flower in dash vase. So F, we know that it's a consonant, so we have to write over here A, and vase, V is a consonant, we have to write over here A. So a flower in a vase. Dash girl in dash long skirt. So in the word girl, G is the starting letter and we know that G is a consonant. So before consonant we have to use A, and long, L is the starting letter. So L comes under consonant and before consonant we have to use A. Okay. Look at the next image. Dash Eskimo in dash igloo. So in the word Eskimo, E is the starting letter, so E comes under vowel, and before vowel we have to use N. And dash igloo, so I is the starting letter of igloo, and I, we know that this is vowel, so we have to use N. An Eskimo in an igloo. Next, animal in dash zoo. So in the word animal, A is the starting letter and we know that A is a vowel. So before vowel, we have to use N. So dash zoo. Z is the starting letter of zoo and we know that Z comes under consonant. So we have to write over here A. Dash owl on dash branch. Owl, O is the starting letter, O is a vowel, so we have to use over here N. Branch, in the word branch, B is the starting letter and B, we know that B is a consonant, so we have to use over here A. So you can able to see how we have used A and N in their proper place. Okay. Now next question, what is it? Use A or an before the words given in the box. Okay, so here are some words like animal, bird, vegetable, game, fruit, insect, vehicle, flower. Okay, so you have to choose this word from the box and write it down in their proper places, and before writing down you have to use A or an. Okay, like for example it is written over here that number one, rose. We know there's rose, it's a flower, so you have to choose the word flower from the box, and we have already wrote it down here, flower, and before flower we have to use A. Why? Because in the word flower starting letter is F, as we know that F is a consonant, so you have to use A before consonant. Okay, coming to the next one, apple. Apple, we know that it's a fruit, so what you have to write? A fruit. Okay, next one, ant. Ant, we know that it's an insect, so we have to write an insect. Okay, now next one is parrot. Parrot, we know that parrot is a bird, so we have to write a bird. So next one is potato. We know that potato is a vegetable, so we have to write a vegetable. Okay, so next one is car. So we know that car is a vehicle, so we have to write a vehicle. Okay, football. So football, we know that it's a game, so we have to write a game. Okay, and the last one is tiger. Tiger, we know that tiger is an animal, so we have to write over here an animal. So like this way we have chosen the words from the box and we have used the a and n in their proper places. Can you able to understand that where we have to use a and n? Okay, like this way you have to complete your work. So my dear students, look that we have already completed this missing space, and this we have already completed this a and n in their proper places. Okay, so what you have to do, look, you have to go through the videos again and again, then it will be clear to you. So how you have to use a and how you have to use n in their proper places. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.